In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select sound, and here you will notice phone ringtone. And as you can see here, you've got the whole list from which you can pick your ringtone. You can also choose custom ringtone if you have some song, some tone downloaded on or installed on your Vivo, but I will show you just system ringtones. Let me show you all of them, starting with this array. And then just pick the one that you like the most, so I will choose this one. And then you can go back. As you can see, it has been already changed, so now it's your ringtone. You can obviously change it whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.